So panoorin natin itong world title defense nitong si Knockout CP Freshmart ng bansang Thailand. Dito ay makakalaban niya itong Hapon na si Shukichi Iwata. Bago ang laban mga kaboksing, itong challenger na Japanese boxer na si Shukichi Iwata ay may professional boxing record ito na mayroong 15 panalo, may 2 talo at may 12 panalo by way of knockout. Samantalang itong si CP Freshmart ng bansang Thailand ay may veteran professional boxing record na mayroong 29 na panalo, may 1 talo at may 11 panalo by way of knockout. So tingnan po natin kung madidepensahan nitong Thai boxer itong kanyang hawak na WBC World Light Flyweight title.
The shores of Japan, and he's defending his WBC Light Flyweight Championship belt.
For the first time.
Knockout CP Freshmart in the green trunks with green flames and trim. Shukichi Iwata, the challenger, sky blue trunks with silver trim.
So Knockout CP Freshmart was actually a long-time WBC minimum weight champion. He lost this title a little over 2 years ago to the current champion, WBA champion. He lost it to Oscar Collazo a little over 2 years ago. Freshmart is actually a non-traditional Thai boxer, if you notice. He likes to counter punch. He likes to use his timing. Unlike the other Thai fighters that we know are aggressive from
Always
opening
moving
up.
forward.
Yes.
This one,
he's
he's a
patient.
counter fighter.
Yeah.
And he's been
So mas matangkad po dito mga kaboksing ang Hapon,
winning against
pero mas malaki po ang katawan
won by
nitong Thai boxer.
Mumbai. And then another victory from a Filipino fighter.
Good right by Japanese boxer na si Shukichi Iwata.
Very active year. I mean, very active 2025 for the champion.
Yeah.
Yun, good to the body po. May ganti naman din itong si Knockout CP Freshmart.
Who also climbed up in weight in order to
Itong Thai boxer po mga kaboksing ang
good campaign.
world champion dito. Siya po ang dumidepensa ng kanyang titulo, samantalang challenger po
To the body.
itong si Shukichi Iwata. Good right
And we're seeing that
para sa Thai boxer.
here, Paolo. Good counter right from Freshmart.
The Thai fighters are always on the stocky side, if you notice. In every
Wide
weight,
shoulders.
yeah,
Yun,
every
ang ganda ng job nitong Thai boxer.
Find out that side.
Medyo manipis po ang katawan nitong Japanese, no? Alright, tapos po ang round 1. Round 2 tayo mga kaboksing.
Round number 2. Good high guard here by Freshmart. A little stiff on those combinations from the champion. Needs to let loose a little bit.
Mukhang maingat din itong si Iwata.
This is exactly what Iwata needs to do. He needs to keep moving and hit from the outside. You cannot stay in front of Freshmart. He will overpower you. He will hit you.
He will overwhelm you, and once he gets that range,
Good left
right?
para sa kampiyon na si Freshmart.
And speaking of footwork here, Paolo, the shiftiness and the niftiness of Iwata is also a good weapon for him, so that Freshmart cannot plant. You know, he cannot plant his feet and unload on the power shots. It also disrupts his rhythm. He can't really get anything going right now.
Good job para kay Iwata.
Freshmart likes to fight.
Yun.
Good jabs here by
Good to
Iwata.
the body din.
Good uppercut towards the midsection is the challenger. Freshmart now trying to go downstairs, which is a good working strategy, considering he's the shorter fighter.
Sumukang punterya dito ng champion ang katawan nitong si Iwata. Kung mapapansin nyo mga kaboksing, manipis
Good check hook.
ang katawan nitong Hapon.
Now he goes back to that jab.
Good to the body. Galing kay Freshmart.
The body. Iwata goes back to that jab. Straight to the body from Freshmart. Still managing that distance. Good gauging, good distance management here by Iwata. Every time Freshmart is about to bridge that gap, he throws a lot of jabs to keep that distance.
Good left para sa kampiyon. Op,
From the second
may ganti din naman doon yung challenger. Tumama po yung kanyang right hand. Good round po for Freshmart. So mukhang nakuha niya ang round na yon.
Very tactical fight.
Sometimes a slow starter. He needs to get a few
Now,
rounds
round three.
in. As we start round number 3, scheduled for 12. This is for the WBC Light Flyweight Championship.
Round 3 tayo mga kaboksing.
Quick start to the round here from Iwata as he unloads that quick 1-2.
Good job by Iwata.
More jabs being unloaded by the challenger.
Good combination. Galing sa challenger na Hapon.
Way to open this round for Yoichi Iwata.
Another good left para sa another good right para sa Hapon.
And this is a good round for Iwata to unload combinations. You know, light punches, see the reaction of his opponent.
So ngayon, pasugod na ang estilo nitong Hapon.
Uppercut and a hook there by the champ.
Good to the body by Iwata.
A little bit of warning there from the referee.
Very strict referee, huh?
What Iwata's trying to do for this round is like unload.
Good left naman para sa kampiyon na Thai boxer.
You know, prior to the warning, he's trying to go a little bit more forward.
Good job
And try to throw his weight around.
para kay Iwata.
See how fresh.
So, mukhang unti-unting nakukuha ni Iwata dito ang distansya.
Like what you
Good
mentioned
uppercut.
earlier.
Yep, good uppercut to the body.
Good to the body naman para dito sa kampiyon.
Freshmart needs to
Ayun, gantihan na po sila ng
work the angle.
suntok sa katawan.
His punches are too far in between.
Good left para sa kampiyon na si Freshmart. Another good combination.
Making good use of that height and reach advantage. Good investment in that midsection.
So ayun, good exchanges.
Body of knockout CP Freshman. Good overhead right there from the champion.
Follows it up with a left. Ooh, nice left by the champion. Freshmart needs to throw more punches. He needs to throw them in bunches because right now it will be an easy round to score.
Oh!
And just
Tumama po ang counter right hand nitong challenger at mukhang nayanig po itong kampiyon na si Freshmart.
He should have let
So,
Iwata run away with this fight.
mukhang ramdam po doon ng Thai boxer
as you're watching,
ang counter right hand.
ladies and gentlemen, the crafty work. Shokichi Iwata versus Knockout CP Freshmart.
Round 4 na tayo mga kaboxing. Tingnan natin. So sa round 3 mukhang nakuha ni Iwata ang round na iyon.
12-round action.
Magaganda po ang tumamang mga suntok nitong hapon.
Iwata using his advantage, fighting from the outside. Well, a sense of urgency for CP Freshmart, as we can see, he's moving a little bit more, moving forward a little bit more.
Yeah, at least we're seeing signs of life from the side of the champion as he's trying to cut the angle on the movement of the challenger in Iwata. However, Iwata still very generous with those jabs.
Yun.
Gets a
Very
good
good combination
Mukhang nasaktan doon itong
by Iwata.
kampiyon
He's just
na si Freshmart.
right now.
He might have opened up a cut.
I believe so.
Oh,
I think we're gonna have to check.
oh may sugat po. Nasa kaliwang kilay ata. So hindi natin malinaw kung suntok ba ito or clash of heads.
Ring physician, check that cut. From Knockout CP Freshmart.
So advantage ito para sa Hapon.
赤子のフレッシュマート選手の
Looks like
左
the
目の上のカット負傷の状況を記しておりますなおこの負傷はアクシデンタルバッティング偶然のバッティング
So
によるものです
was it an accident?
according kay Iwata,
I think it was from a punch.
It was from
hindi daw hitbat, wala daw hitbat.
the punch, the combination.
So suntok. Tingnan natin sa replay mamaya kung ipakita.
And it's worrisome.
And it's going to bother him, and we're just in the 4th round. Very stiff punches here from Freshmart.
So dapat maging aggressive na dito itong kampiyon
Here from
na si Freshmart. Nasugatan na siya eh.
now he's caught a rhythm.
And he's aiming for the cut.
Yun na nga ang target nitong
It's a very
challenger na si Iwata.
you know,
Yung sugat,
his range. He's found his rhythm. You know, he's
binibitawan ng mga
gonna
jabs.
gamble on that. He's gonna ride on that rhythm. He's gonna keep going towards his right side. Don't throw that jab.
This is the Thai way that we normally see, the aggressive type.
And Freshmart, I think that's the only way for Freshmart to get a little bit of offense going on in here, you know. Pushes
Good to the
around,
body by the challenger.
go for a clinch. If he's not gonna go for a clinch, he needs to attack the body. However, you know, Iwata's a little bit too fast
Good to the body again.
right now. More jabs from Iwata.
Yun.
The variety of combinations being thrown here by Iwata is confusing Freshmart.
It's just overwhelming.
So volume of punches po ang binibitawan ngayon nitong si Iwata.
What's nice about Iwata, he's able to throw punches while backing up.
And he's very smooth in the execution, you know, nothing too forced as we approach the final 10 seconds of this round.
Okay. I think nakuha ni Iwata pa rin ang round na yun.
Of the
Round 5 na tayo mga kaboksing. So base sa replay mga kaboksing,
Now, if you're on the court,
right hook po ang tumama
fresh mark. You know, you're probably down.
na nagresulta ng sugat
Keeps fighting the way.
sa kilay nitong defending champion na si Freshmart.
Fight adjustments.
I think he just sticks to his games. We know he's a good
Tingnan natin sa round na ito kung ano ang gagawin nitong kampiyon.
Punching is the bread and butter of the champion, knockout CP Freshmart. We'll see how Iwata answers. But so far,
Yun.
it's been an Iwata. It's been
Good
clinic.
combinations galing kay Iwata.
Now, a little bit on the forward movement is the champion. We're seeing a little bit of life. He's trying to pin him against the ropes.
this is exactly what Freshmart needs to do. He needs to be. He is behind in rounds. He is behind in points. He needs to be aggressive, but he's got to use. He's got to
Good.
jabbing and fight off the jab by throwing.
So tumama doon si Freshmart,
One or two punches. It's
pero may bawi din naman itong hapon.
especially with,
Yun.
against the rhythm fighter like Iwata. But if there's one thing that's really going for knockout CP Freshmart, Pao, is that he can either go full 12 or he has the knockout power. Like given the last
Good to the body again by Iwata.
last year, so we got 2 unanimous decisions.
Good job.
Natin Toyogon, and then he
Galing sa kampiyon.
go against Wong Wai. So anything is still up here for the champion. And now he goes back to that counter punching, just like what Miguel said. Good left hook there by the champion.
It's good to note as well. Iwata in his last 6 fights
So patakbo-takbo ngayon itong hapon.
distance once, and he lost that fight to Rene Santiago.
Yep.
So
Pero kahit patakbo-takbo ito, ay tumatama po ng maganda itong si
The champion.
Freshmart.
champion.
A little bit more rhythm now on the part of Freshmart.
So kailangan talagang dikitan
From the champion.
nitong si Freshmart itong challenger na hapon. Kasi kung ganyang distansya po, mas na-establish po ang mga suntok nitong hapon. Mas mahaba kasi ang mga kamay nito.
Very good
Another good combination from the champion.
counter left hook by Freshmart.
Yun.
Another counter uppercut with the hook
So bago magtapos ay tumama po ng maganda ang kampiyon.
to end the round.
These two have totally different styles.
Round 6 na tayo mga kaboksing.
In between rounds, in between
So tingnan natin sa round 6.
in between combinations, right?
So if we're following the pattern with which Freshmart is fighting in his last 3 performances, I think it's safe to say this is the beginning of the fight for him.
Ayun, good exchanges po.
Caught with a good right there.
Mukhang tinamaan po doon ang kampiyon.
From Iwata. We're seeing a little bit more offense on the side of Freshmart. Now he's able to cut the ring. Good uppercut to the body there by the
Good job. Galing sa kampiyon.
That jab has been a very huge problem for Freshmart.
It's a stinging jab. Again, it's effective because Freshmart is standing in front of Iwata. If he is able to move, look for the angles, he will not get hit with that jab, the stiff jab of Iwata.
But prior to that, that was a good
Good to the body
champion.
by Iwata. chichik ulit ang sugat nitong
The physician's gonna go check on that.
kampiyon.
It doesn't look good, coach.
Let's see if they're gonna stop this one. I think they're gonna.
It's open.
Ano ko po? Baka itigil na.
It's just that Freshmart is too square. He's too squared
Okay
up
pa.
to Iwata.
Continue pa ang laban.
Trying to move at a certain angle. He's not really angling his body so that he becomes a smaller target. It's like
Good left.
for Iwata.
Galing sa challenger na si Iwata. Sunod-sunod yun ha.
Good jab and an uppercut in the midsection for the challenger. Now it's
Left and right punches yun.
A little bit of showmanship.
Good job. Another good combination. Pinupukpok na dito ni Iwata ang kampiyon.
Smart move by the champion, going for a clinch. Referee calls for separation. Now we'll resume
Good to the body and head. Naku po.
to work. Two hooks up.
Tinatamaan po ng gusto dito itong Thai boxer.
Another stiff jab there from
Grabe po ang tinatanggap na punishment sa round na ito.
very good left hand from Freshmart.
Ayun na, pinauulan na po.
Hooks once again. Overwhelming is Iwata.
Ang bibilis po ng mga suntok nitong si Iwata.
Freshmart has to move. Has to move.
Ayun, mukhang nasakta na doon.
He needs to pivot out. He needs to swivel out of
Itong si Freshmart,
leaning against the ropes. He's a sitting target right
I think
now. Iwata.
hindi maganda na sumasandal itong
Iwata.
kampiyon sa rope. Uy,
Good counter.
tumama. Tumama po doon ang left ni...
Final 10 seconds.
ang right ni Freshmart.
End of the round.
So nakuha po.
Good round.
Very dominant performance po para sa challenger na hapon. Round 7 na tayo mga kaboksing.
For his advantage.
So sa nakita ko ay mukhang ramdam po nitong defending champion ang mga suntok nitong
Iwata goes back to that.
si Iwata. At mukhang babagsak itong Thai boxer.
Freshmart has to do something. Iwata is running away with this fight. I've got him 4 rounds ahead.
And here's the thing, pa. We're not
Good job
any type
by Iwata.
fight or mid-round adjustment on the part of Freshmart. You know, he's just sticking up. He's just sticking to the game plan of staying squared up. You know, both hands are at the same level. I mean, that's a good high guard structure. But I mean,
Tumatama po ang suntok naman itong kampiyon pero
you have to
mukhang wala ng power.
target. You have to move your feet. You have to bounce around. Get a rhythm going.
He's stuck in.
Good to the body na naman
He's on one gear, and that's what,
by the challenger.
who's able to, you know, go high, low.
And the variety of punches being thrown here by the challenger.
Tumatama itong kampiyon pero hindi siya damaging
And that's
compare doon sa mga suntok nitong challenger na si Iwata.
type of offense. You know, he's breaking his patterns, he's breaking his rhythm, he's not giving him the looks that he was used to.
Ayun na naman.
Combination here by Iwata.
Grabe ang kombinasyon po na binibitawan ni Iwata doon.
4-punch combination.
Gumanti din naman itong Thai boxer. Subalit mas marami pong sinusukli itong
So,
si Iwata.
the part of the challenger. Very nice.
Another uppercut na naman ng tinanggap doon
You gotta go.
ng kampiyon.
You know, he's getting out.
Another good to the body by Iwata.
Out move. He's getting
Good job. At combination. ang ganti naman nitong
Look at that.
kampiyon.
The champion.
Pero kulang na po ang ibinabato niya.
Signs of life from Fresh Mark.
Kulang na po ang binabatong suntok nitong si Fresh Mark.
Answers back.
Wala ng power.
For every
So,
punches thrown by Fresh Mark,
I think ramdam na niya ang pagod sa round na ito.
more combinations here by Iwata.
Yan, nilalaro-laro na lang niya. Nitong hapon, itong kanyang kalaban.
Here by Fresh,
Kita mo,
but it's
good job.
needs to move.
Cannot stay.
Matapos sumuntok sa katawan,
And he's just
jab naman ang binitawan nitong
not really moving.
challenger na hapon.
Final 10 seconds of this round.
A little bit of life from the champion.
It was a dominant performance para kay Iwata.
Iwata, so maybe you could try to
Now,
smash that.
Round 8 na tayo mga kaboksing.
This is round number
So may swelling na rin itong si Iwata
for 12.
sa kanyang right eye.
And this is
So tingnan natin sa round na ito.
I'm Franco Rolioda, with me is Paulo Diaz,
Good start by Iwata.
giving you action inside Yokohama Buntai in Japan.
For every 5, 6, 7 punch combination of Iwata, the champion answers with,
So masyadong magalaw itong si Iwata.
that has to change.
Hirap pasukin itong si Fresh Mark ang depensa ng hapon.
I mean, I don't know how to put it.
It was a good combination from
Just trying
Fresh
to
Mark.
pick up on his punches. He's thinking that he throws a quick 1-2 or
another good again.
good punch. This guy's gonna
Pero may ganti po doon ng hapon na si Iwata.
1-2 but receives another 1-2 and a third one.
And it goes to show the contrast of styles. You know, there are a lot of fighters who put up on loaded punch, who win on loaded punches, and then they go up against a very tactical fighter like Shukichi Iwata, who's not gonna engage. He's gonna box. You know, he's gonna pepper you with punches. He's gonna drag you out. He's gonna put you in deep waters, and then see how. And then they'll see, okay, how are you gonna swim?
Chichik na naman ang sugat nitong kampiyon. So patuloy po kasi ang pagdurugo. Hindi po,
Using the champion.
I think hindi po naayos ng katman nila
I think this might be
ang sugat.
They
So maaaring itigil na rin ito.
they might just call it. Let's see.
Wala na. Yun, itinigil na po ang laban.
A good call by the referee and the ring physician. I mean, Pao, if this fight continued, that cut would have just, it would just get bigger.
it would have gotten bigger.
Itinigil na po.
The champion would have gone down. He was receiving too much punishment. It was just a matter of time. But for me, I think they should have stopped it earlier.
Earlier.
For the same reason.
Ladies and gentlemen, this bout has been stopped at the time of 1 minute 33 seconds in round number 8. Doctor took a look at the eye, saw it was too much, stopped the contest. Therefore, we go to the scorecard.
So scorecard po.
Stop to an accidental headbutt.
Magbabase tayo sa scorecard mga kaboksing.
The judges have the following score. Chris Migliori scores about 79 to 73, along with Ray Danseco 79 to 73. David Sutherland scores the action 78 to 74. All three in favor of the
Unanimous decision.
unanimous technical decision. And the new WBC light flyweight
So ayun,
of the world.
panalo po itong si Shukichi Iwata by technical decision.
There you have
So,
Jamin, your winner.
nahubaran po ng corona ang Thai boxer na si CP Freshmart.
The cut, he goes, he wins via
So maraming salamat po mga kaboksing sa inyong panunood.
But I don't agree.
Para sa mga classic fight at latest boxing updates, mag-subscribe lang po kayo sa Hinirang Esports TV.